Welcome to this quick guide on how to prevent using the focused inbox on LinkedIn. If you find that this feature isn't working for you or simply prefer to manage your messages in a different way, follow these straightforward steps to disable it. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon represents your profile and will lead you to your account settings. After tapping the Me icon, a menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Next, navigate to Data Privacy within the Settings menu. This section contains important options regarding how your data is managed and how features like Focused Inbox operate. Once you're in the Data Privacy section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Focused Inbox. Tapping on this will bring up the settings related to this feature. Finally, you will see a toggle for Use Focused Inbox. Simply switch this toggle to the off position. By doing this, you will disable the Focused Inbox feature. Now, all your messages will be displayed together in one unified inbox, instead of being separated into Focused and other tabs. Disabling Focused Inbox can enhance your messaging experience by allowing you to see all communications without any sorting by LinkedIn's algorithm. This way, you won't miss any important messages that might have been categorized incorrectly. Remember, managing your inbox effectively can help streamline your communication on LinkedIn and ensure that you stay connected with all your contacts. Enjoy a more organized and accessible messaging experience.